What's the meaning of blasphemer? Blasphemer. Blasphemer.
Blasphemer. Blasphemer. The term blasphemer refers to a person who speaks or acts in a way that shows disrespect or contempt towards a religion, deity, or religious belief. It is often used to describe those who commit sacrilegious acts and are therefore considered to be morally offensive. To blaspheme is considered a serious offense in many religions and can lead to punishment such as excommunication or even death in some cases. The act of blasphemy has been a controversial issue throughout history, with many differing opinions on the severity of the offense and the appropriate punishment. Ultimately, it is up to individual interpretation and belief.